give him face. Give him face.
Give him face. Pipe me up, babe. Pipe me up. Come on. Pipe me up. What?
You go, girl.
Oh, snap. This angle?
Left, to the left. Give him face. Give him face. Do the little blanket eye. Do the blanket eye.
Oh, I did it?
This one.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah? Oh, alright.
I hear that you get them calls on your phone. Say to leave me alone. They be checking on my Twitter, think they know me to go. Everything.
Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I am back and I am sharing with you guys this nice fall look, hair and makeup edition. So I will be sharing with you guys how I got this complete makeup look and also how I got my hair like this. So just stay tuned towards the end of the video. I did my makeup first and I absolutely love this brown smoky grungy fall look. You guys, I am ready for fall, but it's getting kind of cold real quick. I'm not ready for that. But before we get into the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Make sure that you become a part of our growing family that we have on YouTube, because it helps me to help you guys. And also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of these type of videos, if you guys want to see more hair and makeup transformations, and I would definitely get those out for you guys. Also, just check the description box for all the products that I used in this video. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Alright, so we're going to start off with our fresh face, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow to go ahead and fill in my brows. I waxed my brows on my own for the first time ever, and I think they came out pretty good. I really like the way that they turned out, so I will not be needing to go to the nail salon anymore. So I'm just going in and filling in my brows with the Anastasia, and you guys know I love this product, and I'm just brushing the product through my brows. So to clean up my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. And I'm just cleaning up the bottom and the top of my brows just to give them more of a sharper look. And then I'm just going in with a blending brush and blending the concealer so that there are no harsh lines and everything will look seamless and blended. Next, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C11, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyelids and to set them. And I'm just taking the brush and blending them out. And for eyeshadow today, I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I'm just going in with that burnt orange shade and applying this like very high above my crease, just because I wanted a bit more bright colors just to add to the look, because we're doing something a bit dark today, so I feel like that orange look will look really nice with this look. And I'm just blending back and forth and just making sure that everything is nice and seamless. Next, I'm going to go into that burgundy shade and also apply this a little bit lower than we applied that first orange shade. And this is just going to intensify and deepen up that look and give us that burgundy shade that we're going for. Next, I'm going to mix the brown and that same burgundy shade, and we're going to pack this color on our lid. We're using a very soft hand today for this look because we don't want to go too harsh with the eyes. We want it to look very nice and still very soft but still grungy. So I'm just going in with a blending brush and blending all three of those colors together. And then I'm going to go back in with that dark brown and kind of smudge it closer to my lash line. Next for mascara, I'm taking the Makeup by Shayla collab with Milani mascara, and I love this mascara. I'm just applying this, preparing for my lashes. And I need some new mascara recommendations. If you guys know of any good mascaras, comment them down below. So I just spray my face with the Mario Badescu, and then I'm going in with my Becca blurring primer. This is my first time using this primer, and I really like it. It's like a velvet soft. It feels so good on the skin, so good. And I'm using the Amazing Beauty lashes. I got these lashes from a hair company, and they are bomb. You guys know the lashes that they send are usually like horrible, but these lashes are bomb. I love them. So for my face, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. This is in the shade 408, I think. If I'm wrong, it'll be in the description box below. So for foundation, I'm using the Nars Foundation in the shade Tahoe, and I applied 4 pumps to my face, and I'm going in with my flat brush, and I'm just blending out my foundation along with that glotion that we placed underneath so that my foundation can have some type of glow. And I'm just going in with the Morphe Beauty Blender, and I'm just pressing all the foundation into my skin, making it look seamless, and going in with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. Something was a little bit off with the concealer. I'm not sure if it was the color. I think LA Girl may have changed their formula or their shade ranges, and it just seemed a bit off, so I went over with the medium beige shade over that just to brighten it up a bit. It was a little bit too orange for me, so I was trying my best to, camouflage that orangey tone that was going on. So I'm just going in with the Morphe sponge and just blending out the concealer, my forehead, my nose, chin, Cupid's bow, and underneath my eyes. I really love this sponge, guys. This sponge is $7 and it's bomb. It's so soft. So I also went over with the Makeup Revolution, same concealer we used before, just because I needed to brighten it up a bit. And now for cream contour, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Expresso, and applying it to my cheekbones, my jawline, my nose. And then we're just going to go in with our Real Techniques contour brush, and we're going to blend this out. Don't forget the forehead, y'all. And now for setting powder, I'm going in with the Airspun setting powder, and I love this. This is so good, and it's so inexpensive. It is $5 at Walmart. So to set my contour, I'm taking the Fit Me Matte Poreless pressing powder in the shade 360 Mocha, and I'm just using this to set my contour. And I really like this. I haven't used this before on my contour, but it turned out pretty good. And next, I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush. I forgot the shade name, but just check the description box down below. Everything will be there. And then going back in with the Mario Badescu, setting all my powders and going in with eyeliner on my lash line, and also dipping back into that brown and burgundy shade and smoking out my bottom lash line. And using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara on my bottom lashes. These are bomb for your bottom lashes. The wand is so small, so it gets right in there. And I felt like I needed a little bit more blush, so I'm going in with the Tarte blush in the shade Dazzled, and just brushing this over my cheeks and my nose. Now time for highlight. I'm just spraying my brush and going in with the Colourpop highlighter in the shade Candyman, one of my favorite highlighters. And This is a more golden highlight, so it looks pretty natural. And I'm just applying this to my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. And also going over that with the Fenty Beauty highlighter. And applying this over that same spot. And to set everything in place, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this setting mist. I bought this about 3 times, and the mist in the setting mist comes out super fine, so it doesn't leave any like spots on your face. It's so good. So for the lips, I just went in and lined it with some NYX lip liner, and this is the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Limbo, I think. And I like this brown, but it was a little bit too red for me, so I went in with the Maybelline matte lipsticks, and it was much darker, and I really like this. So now it's time for hair. This is the hair portion of the video, and I'm just taking my clips out because I have my hair up and letting it hang down, and then I'm just gonna go in with some water and conditioner in my spray bottle and kind of detangle the hair, comb through it and wet it, make it look more soft and more nice and presentable, really. So I'm just going in and brushing while combing it through with a wide tooth comb, and just going back in and spraying it as well. I really like the wet look, so I wanted to save my hair for last, because if I was to wet it in the beginning, it will be dry by the time I was done the video. So I just waited till the video was done, and I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks wet and how it looks dry. I prefer it wet. It looks so good, and I really love this hair. I will also be having a video come out reviewing this hair company, so just be on the lookout for that. And yeah, I'm just pretty much just wetting my whole hair and combing it all out. It's not really much to do with this hair. It's super easy. So if you don't like to do a lot to your hair, then this is the hairstyle for you. Just get a wet, curly hair, and all you gotta do is just spray it in the morning, comb it out, and you are good to go. So I just took my band off the front of my lace, and I'm just going over some of my baby hairs. I didn't want to do too much baby hairs, but I'm just doing the sides, and then I'm going right where my ear tab is, and I'm just taking some hair out, and then I just go in and cut that and create some sideburns, quote unquote baby hair. And then I added one in the front. I normally don't like the way that this looks, but it looks pretty good. And I like to use my finger to guide the way the hair is formed. And yeah, that's it.
Alright, love, so that completes this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all enjoyed the makeup portion and also the hair portion, because I like doing videos like this, and I think I'm gonna do more videos like this. So comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see more like this, and I would definitely get that out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Also, before we go, today's motivational quote is, don't just have faith, let your faith and hard work be shown through what God is calling you to do. So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye. I hear that you get them calls on your phone, say to leave me alone.